In this video, we will discuss how we can create an awesome thumbnail for the Fiverr gigs. You can simply Google these illustrations or templates, make sure they are not copyrighted, or you can also purchase these templates from Code Canyon or Theme Forest. To create a gig for that, just simply pick this here. Okay, let's adjust the size. You can upload these through this upload media button, and yeah, here's click on the background. Make sure to match the background color with this one, and okay, here it is gone. Now the issue is the color combination, it's not matching with that. For that we will do this. I'm just showing you how you can achieve something through this procedure using Canva. So it's all about you how you are going to do this. It doesn't matter, it's not a fixed procedure, one single fixed procedure. You can achieve this through different ways. Okay, I'll select this one. Now I'm going to select the color of that. Okay, now I'm going to add the text here. I personally like this one. You can write here awesome, awesome. Okay, let me increase the size. Awesome Android app for you. Let's decrease the size. You can decrease the size from here. Okay, we can also add another tag in in 5 USD. It's all about you which text you want to select. Let me change it to something else. Looks good now. 125 USD. Okay, make sure to use the free elements here. uh, it's mentioned free here. The one with the crown on them are not free, and you won't be able to download these images for free of cost. Then you can simply download these images from here, select png, and yeah, click on download. It will get downloads to the your computer. That's a simple way to design